Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your 6 onboard computer in your E30. My lights aren't working very well, as you can see right here. Even if I turn on the lights, nothing turns on. So, how you get started is you can get a pick tool like this one right here. What I do is I very carefully go through this crack right here, poke it through, slide it out, pop them out, and then from here you can just pull it with your hands. From here you can see 4 clips. Set that aside. Again, take your pick tool, go from the top, push it down, and pull it out a little bit. And there's another one down here. Same thing at the top. Pick it and pull it up. Boom. Alright, when you pull it out, there's going to be a clip in the back. There's this black clip right over here. What you do is you push it up and it'll slide right out. So the light is out from my LCD or LED, whatever you guys want to call it. So there's 2 lights in the back. This one is for the buttons, and then this one is for the display. So what I do is I grab my pliers, where they went. So I grab my pliers here, and you basically just reach in there carefully. I'm only doing this with one hand, so reach in there carefully, turn it, and then just pull it right out. You can look at the light bulb in there if it will focus. Yeah, it's not going to focus. Well, this one's not working. The conductor popped off. So let me find one that is working. Okay, so I got one that's working right here. I don't know if you can see that, but this one is good. So same thing as before. There's these tabs, 2 metal tabs here on the light. Just make sure that they align with the metal tabs in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line it up. I'm going to line it up and then put it through here. Again, grab my pliers. You don't know those pliers, whatever you guys want to call it. Again, this is pretty hard to do with one hand. Perfect. So I'm gonna use my feet and turn it clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to unlock. So now you're finished with the changing of the lights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this back in. I'm going to do this with 2 hands because it's hard to do with one. Basically, you slide it in and you just push this down to lock it in, and I'll come back when I'm done. So there you have it. It's locked in place. I pushed the black tab down. From this point on, you just push it back in. You should hear some clicks. Bam and bam. Both of these clips are in. And then you just grab your plate and you just push it back in. Align those 4 clips on there. Boom, 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 boom. And then now you can see the display is on, but there's no lights. So, okay, let's see. So turn on the lights. Boom, perfect. Perfect. And you just set your hour and your date. There you go, complete.